Happy Friday. Happy Good Friday. Thank you for joining me, Timmy O'Neill, on Embrace Life. I'm here to give you an update on our tax credit as well as the stimulus. We're going to include some talks about the economy as well as jobs. I absolutely love and appreciate all of you. Thank you for joining me here on Embrace Life. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. You guys are great. This community is fantastic, and I like to maintain the integrity of the community by first stating, please, if you are leaving comments below, please be respectful of others. If you see someone trying to impersonate me, copy my thumbnail or my account name, and give out financial information in the comments, I don't do that. I don't give out a WhatsApp number. I don't give out a Telegram number. I don't get involved in that stuff. So please stay away from those. If you see them, let me know ahead of time. I will have them removed as I see them, which I have been doing, but there's been more and more since more and more people are online. There's a lot more scammers out there. Speaking of scammers, if you have a Facebook account and on your profile it has your phone number, please make sure that it is not your cell phone number, and or make sure that it becomes private. Don't make it visible to these scammers, because it's a gift to them for them to know your cell phone number, because now all they have to do is find out who your provider is, call your provider, order a new SIM card for your account, and if you don't have like a security phrase set up to protect yourself, they'll get your SIM card, they'll get all the information on what you're investing in, and I've seen a lot of people lose a lot of money recently from rug pulls from centralized platforms for crypto, stock exchange information. They're wiping out people's accounts because they're matching or copying your phone and then stealing all your account information. So please be careful when investing and or using social media responsibly. I reached out to a couple friends that I noticed had their phone numbers on their accounts because it said that I just am now checking people's about page because they're my family or my friends, and I want to protect them, and I know that this is going on. So to help the community, to help yourselves, set up some kind of security for your cell phone service. Reach out to your provider, set up a security phrase so that people can't just add accounts or order new SIM cards at a whim, because then they get your information and then they can access it all. And please don't save security information on accessing these apps that you use on your phone. Coinbase, Token Pocket, Femex, BitSwap. Doesn't matter who you're using, you got to protect yourself in the long run. Speaking of which, I don't give investment advice. I just share my experience. I'm a recreational investor, and on that token, let's hear from Nadia.
Hello, my name is Nadia, and you might be wondering, what am I doing here on Embrace Line? It's to tell you that Tim O'Neill is not a financial advisor, and this is just an expression of his opinion based on his experience. And your experience might be totally different. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only, and investment of any kind involves high risk. While risk can be minimized, your investments is totally under your responsibilities. You should do the research, and there are no guarantee of profit or loss of any investment. Hopefully this helps you to understand that you should look on this information only as inspiration. Thanks to all of you, and welcome to the channel. And now, back to the video.
Thank you so much, Nadia. Yes, I am not a CPA or a financial advisor. Thank you so much. Let's take a moment to recognize my affiliates and sponsors. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks with Webull by clicking the link below. I'll also include Coinbase if you're interested in purchasing cryptocurrency on the Coinbase exchange. Insane news that is going to be affecting Ethereum and Bitcoin, as well as our altcoins. Coinbase exchange is actually doing its initial public offering on April 14th. Write that on your calendar. April 6th, they'll be announcing their earnings. Write that on your calendar. Guys, it's important to know these dates because Coinbase's IPO is going to be directly related to their exchange. Their exchange is a cryptocurrency exchange, so the more more money moving in, it's got to get dispersed somewhere. People are afraid of crypto, so maybe they'll just take a chance and buy some Coinbase stock. Right now, Tesla is at $658 a share, but they produced 180,000 vehicles and actually delivered 185,000, which is going to put them in a mark which is going to change the whole spectrum. I know everybody's panicking because the market's down, and I've got a couple ideas as far as where I'm going to be putting my money from the stock market into other areas. Tesla is one of them. I don't care if it's only $658 a share. If ARK Invest is saying that it's going to see a 42% increase by 2025, I don't know if you guys follow Meet Kevin. He's another YouTube influencer. He just announced that he was expecting 28%. Elon Musk himself is going to try for 30%. Now, ARK Invest has some very bullish proposals because they're including the autonomous driving portion. So, Tesla stock, guys, I've seen people saying 1,700 by 2025. I've seen people saying 3,300 or 3,500 by 2025. We're talking 2021 right now, guys. I see it going up. I see them blowing out the expected production by the end of the year. You got to remember, these guys are moving and shaking and grooving, and they're not just sticking to one area. They're expanding. There's 2 more potential facilities being built, or at least proposed, for Elon and his group. Now, production is the issue right now, not consumer need. They're selling their cars before they're completed, and they're delivering when they can. They're actually begging to deliver early. In fact, if anybody remembers, in December of last year, that's what they were trying to do. They were trying to hit their mark, and they almost made it. So enough about Tesla. Let's talk about Zekin. I do like Zekin. It's another fund that's directly correlating with cryptocurrency. On that token, keep in mind Coinbase's IPO. That IPO is going to directly affect Ethereum. Look at all the altcoins available on Coinbase. Ethereum. Grayscale just dropped $5.5 million into their projects, which is going to directly affect Decentraland, which is Mana, M-A-N-A, Stellar Lumen, which is XLM, Filecoin, Chainlink, and Basic Attention Token. So take a look at those on your gainers for Coinbase. If you guys use other exchanges, that's fine. I just trust Coinbase. I've used them. They give away free $10 Bitcoin when you invest in any crypto on your newly created account. Plus, they'll give you free Bitcoin for referring people. You get free cryptocurrency for following through their tutorials. I really love Coinbase. Guys, if there's any question, I do like Gemini. I saw it. It's really not for me because they don't have anything that I want. But I also use Token Pocket to get Polkadot. That's a trick that us New Yorkers can use. You basically have the Ethereum in Token Pocket, and you convert it to Polkadot so that you have it. You got to create a Polkadot wallet, though, for it. Let's talk about Coinbase's direct listing is April 14th. We talked about that. Let's talk about Bitcoin hovering at 58,000. It broke 60,000. So we know it's getting ready to go. ETH, I'm seeing everybody online talking about Ethereum possibly shooting the moon in the month of April. So keep an eye on that. I'm a holder. I absolutely love Ethereum. I know it's been stagnant for a while, but I know that there's far too many platforms. And the closest cryptocurrency to being considered an actual currency. You got to remember the reason why cryptocurrency exists. We've had banking issues. We've had many other issues. Now this solves those issues. Before you couldn't perform transactions on Good Friday. Well, with cryptocurrency, you're not limited to what banks can do. You're only limited to what cryptocurrency is restrained too. So keep those in mind. Also, I just want to chime in here with some of my personal investments with Coinbase. I recently dived into synthetics. I believe that's SYN or SYX. It's available on Coinbase. I think it's going to have a banner month for the month of April. I also think you guys got to remember we got optimism rollouts. We've got Ethereum, gas prices potentially going down in July. So you're going to see a lot of the things that people were, all the FUD and the FOMO. Guys, remember, when you're investing, you're only investing money that you're willing to risk losing. And there's a very good reason for that. But what's happening is you guys are abandoning, Ethereum and going to an altcoin that's in the green when Ethereum's in the red. You got it reversed. You gotta buy Ethereum when it's down and ride it up. And don't buy altcoins at their tops. You buy at the bottoms. Watch them. It's slightly like stocks. You gotta buy on the rumor, sell on the news. Well, this is a little bit different because now you're looking at money going into the market, the market cap growth, and the functionality. What is all involved with that. Now, that being said, guys, I love and appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing and commenting to enter to win my giveaway. Remember, when I get to 4,000, I'm giving away $1,000 to 2 lucky people. I'm going to keep this going. It looks like the channel's doing extremely well. I absolutely appreciate all of you, and your comments are very heartwarming. If you notice in the comments someone using my face or my thumbnail channel page and saying, embrace life, something slightly different, that's not me. That's somebody, that's a robot or a scammer. I'm not going to give you my a phone number for WhatsApp. I'm not going to give you my Telegram account. If anything, I'll give you my Discord or have you reach out to me at my handle, Embrace Life Tim, on Twitter directly. That being said, guys, if you want to get a hold of any of my NFTs, reach out to me directly. I am on Webull. I'm actually pushing to get on Beeple, as well as there's another platform that actually I'm trying to get available on. But you got to remember, I can't duplicate things on multiple levels because, once you leave a certain venue, you don't get royalties anymore off those NFTs. So if you want to get any channel swag like the shirts or the hoodies, reach out to me directly. The hoodies are $60. The t-shirts are $20. Have a great weekend, guys. Have a great Easter. Invest your money wisely. Right now, I've got 3% of my portfolio in Algorand, Synthetics, Loopring, Uniswap. I've got a little bit higher percentages in Cardano, Polkadot. My highest right now, as far as my portfolio, is my Ethereum and Bitcoin. And not for nothing, guys, that's where you want your money. In the big money-making areas, you got to buy on the low, sell on the high, and don't wait till the top. You wait till the top, sometimes you get blown out and you get liquidated. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the comments in the comments below. If you guys can hear my nephews running around, they just got here. I haven't seen them in a few weeks. So I'm going to end this and go play with them for a while. And I've been a little sidebarred with family stuff going on. My brother just got married, so had to do a lot of stuff, actually. I've been running around like a chicken with his head cut off. Let me know what you think about that. And happy Freaky Friday, guys. I love and appreciate all of you guys, and as always, we'll be talking soon.